Hi guys, kumusta everyone? It's me again, Mommy Che, guys. Kauuwi lang po natin. I was filming already earlier, guys, no, pero hindi ko akalain na hindi pala po siya na film. So, ang galing-galing, 'di ba? Kararating lang po natin galing sa work. So, ngayon, dahil kararating lang natin, mag-iisip na po agad si Mamshi kung ano yung ating lulutuin for dinner. So, meron tayong Delimundo doon na corned beef, guys. And, gagawin lang natin yung lagyan ng itlog. And then, a little bit of onion. Tapos, gisa lang, guys. And then, goods na. Tapos, para naman dinner mamaya, yung gitoko na chicken. So, ito yung stocks natin dito sa freezer, guys. Boom. Thank you, Lord. Punong-puno pa naman siya, guys. Ayan. Mga ano siya, mga easy pagkain. Especially kay Gabriel, guys. Kasi si asawa ko nagpunta pala siya ng Costco. Kaya marami pala siyang pinamili ngayon, guys, no? Look, oh. Ayan yung mga pagkain dito sa loob. Mga ano, guys ba? Mga ready to eat na ng mga pagkain yung iba. Pero sa amin, hindi. Luluto talaga ako. Nagpaalam yung asawa ko kanina, kaya lang late ko na kasi siyang nakita. Napupunta daw siya ng Costco. Oh, sana all nagpapaalam, guys. Kasi alam nyo na, kung hindi magpaalam, mahihiwala yan. Kumusta guys? Kumusta po ang lahat? Sana ang lahat ay nasa mabuting kalagayan ngayon. Lahat po ay nakakain ng mga masasarap na pagkain at ang lahat po ngayon ay nasa safe. Bumili din pala si asawa ko ng ano, guys, grapes, tapos sushi. Ayan, kumain din pala siya ng sushi. That's good. Ayan, so gusto namin to eh. Kasi murayta lang siya sa ano, guys, ha. Murayta lang po siya sa Costco. Eto, meron pa. Dinner na to ni asawa ko mamaya. Ito yung chicken, guys, nagito ko, guys. So, i-marinate lang po natin yan. Kailangan ko yung tanggalin yung oil ng niluto ko, guys, kasi daming oil ng corned beef na to, guys. I don't think I can recommend this sa mga ayaw ng ma-oily na, no. Pero ang mali ko lang talaga, ang pagkakamali ko lang is, bago ko gigisa yung ano, syempre nilagyan ko muna ng oil, diba? And then, may oil na pala tong ano, guys. But anyway, next time. Kasi first time ko magluto ng ganitong ground beef, no? So, ayan na siya. Patapos na po siya, guys. Ayan na siya. Ilagay na natin yung egg. O, diba? Parang Pilipinas lang. So, habang nagluluto ako kanina, guys, ang ginawa ko, nagmamarinate na din ako. Kasi para makapagpahinga na po ako, no? Kasi ganyan talaga yung ginagawa ko. Pagkarating ko galing sa work. Prep muna tayo ng maluluto mamaya. Or minsan nagluluto na ako para ready na mamaya. Ganyan. Para pagkatapos kong mag-nap, edi meron nang makain. I-serve ko na lang. Initin. Ganyan guys, diskarte ng mga na. Hindi siya masyadong ma-oily. Kasi tinanggal ko na yung oil. Yan. Ako kasi yung tipo na kapag matapos na ako sa trabaho ko, when I come home, I do really need to take a nap. Kasi kapag hindi guys, talagang wala akong energy. So after my nap, kahit 30 minutes pa yan, importante talaga yan sa ating katawan. Talagang nagbabalik yung sigla ko. Thank you, Lord. Kasi pag hindi, kasi maaga ako gumigising, guys, like 4:35. Kasi I had to prepare school lunch, school snack for Gabriel, guys. Kasi yung dalawa kong Junakis, masaya na sila sa food sa school. Ayan. Ayan po yung na-marinate natin. Yan. That's chicken thigh. Meron na yan siyang chorba dyan. So, ilagay natin yan sa ref. And then, see you later, guys.
He said it fell on the ground.
Oh, it's dirty?
Yeah.
All of it?
But except
Bye na si Gabriel, guys.
If they ever have anything at school that you really want, you're more than welcome to eat that too.
Exactly. Hindi pa ako tapos magwalis, guys.
You can eat that anytime you want.
Bibigyan daw siya ng pumpkin pie ng dad niya. Kasi bumili.
actually,
How's your day, sir?
good. Actually, I kept this. I kept it.
Oh, good job. So, ito yung libreng milk from
You can't
school.
eat these pies right here for $5.99.
I kept it. I kept it from school. I kept it from school.
But did you put it where you got to put it where the ice is next time? That
He
way-
did.
Oh,
No, I did not.
that way it stays cold.
Pumpkin pie.
You open it.
Give me pumpkin pie.
Both of them likes pumpkin pie. Favorite nila yan.
How about that, huh?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Hey, don't touch.
Look, your daddy is getting some
Here,
pumpkin
here's the
pie.
fork.
No knife.
Kaya siya tinatawag ng
How big?
pumpkin
That
pie.
big?
Dahil pumpkin po siya.
Oh, bigger.
Ang laki, no?
Bigger.
Yan lang maganda
Eat
sa
that first,
Costco,
you
guys.
can have more.
All of it are big.
Okay.
Para lang asawa ko, big.
Here. I think I'll have a piece of that.
You can have some.
You want some?
I don't know. Maybe not.
Taste Gabriel's.
Eat it na, Gabe. No, I'm good. Thank you. Sit down. You got fork?
Yeah.
Okay, enjoy.
Try peas, huh?
Yeah, like literally.
Is this your favorite pie, pumpkin pie?
Yeah.
Yeah. God made this taste?
Well, pumpkin, you know what a pumpkin is, the orange? It's the orange. It's actually a squash. Squash pie.
Hindi ko lang alam bakit hindi ko talaga siya gusto. Yung lasa. This one too fell? The cheese cracker or no?
No.
Okay, good.
It was just my lunch, not my snack.
Okay.
I
Nahulog
thought
daw
those
yung
they didn't
lunch.
have the other muffins.
Oh yeah, because those are the one he likes.
Those ones are?
Let me do it. Ito yung libre sa school, guys. May milk pa to at saka may iba pang lunch. Kaya lang minsan ayaw niya ng lunch. Kaya dapat talaga maigi. Everyday meron po siyang extra. There you go. Big boy na siya. Binigyan niya ako, guys. Ito yung paborito kong chocolate. Lindor, tapos yung flavor ay milk. Same lang din sa Toblerone. Milk din ako.